This week's problem is a variation of the popular puzzle Sudoku, and in this variation, the three numbers immediately right, immediately left, or immediately above one of the numbers shown have to have a product equal to that number. And since Sudoku requires such deductive reasoning, we've invited many of the great fictional detectives to join us for this week's problem. One of our staff members here likes to write the 9 numbers in every box and then cross them out when he knows that a number can't appear in the box. And he's crossed out here because for the 14 in the upper left-hand corner, only 1 times 2 times 7 can make 14. So then he's made a bunch of other cross-outs according to the rules. Then the 7 has to go there because the 336 at the bottom is the only number in that square divisible by 7. And then the 40 is the only one left divisible by 2. The 1 then must go there by default. Then we notice that 360 and 40 end in 0, therefore are divisible by 5. Of course, the 4 has to go there. And since 336 divided by 7 is 48 of the numbers left, 6 times 8 has to go there, and then the 3 times 9 in to make the 27. Now we again look at numbers divisible by 5 that end in 5, and also the 240 that ends in 0, and the remaining 2 5s go in as shown. And then we know that 315 divided by 5 is 63, and based on the numbers left, the 7 and the 9 must go as shown. And then 5 times 7 is 35, so we also have to use the 1 to fill in a space. And because the 7's already been used twice, it has to go like this. And then we get 3 times 9 times 1 and makes 27. It's the only way it'll work based on what we've already done. And it's going to go real fast now. 240 divided by 5 is 48. We must use the 6 and the 8 as shown, leaving the 4 and the 2 to go with the 7 to make 56. It's going real fast. Of the remaining numbers, 216 is divisible by 9, and then the 6 must go as shown next to the 9, then the 2 must go below it, and the last 3 fill in. We've got our answer to this week's problem.
Scooby-Dooby-Doo!